Hello friend, my name is Venkateshwar Ratnam Dwivedi. I am a IBM WebSphere portal professional. Today I am going to talk about how to install IBM WebSphere Portal 8. You can also go to visit my portalstudy.blog.com. Today's tutorial I'll tell you how to download this software. Provider you must be having the IBM employee ID and password. And secondly, open the browser and go through the link w3-103.ibm.com/software/x-portal. Now click on Technicals tab, search for software download link is lower in bottom footer. Click on the software downloads. Here it will ask for username and password. For the security reasons, I cannot tell you the passwords. It just let me navigate to the software repository. Here it will I agree. Now here are the different category by which I can search my software. So here I have my part number is yes, CRI9GML. If I want to search more, I can search. Here is the list of all the related software. Okay. In among these software, I require only few which is of my concern. I have listed all the required part number software in this document. You can have this document in my blogs which is required. So my intention is to just download this software from IBM. Just click on agree. You'll be able to download this software. Now, my another question, and all these part will be downloaded in this form, in zip form. So now you need to be extracted each of them. So let's extract by one. Extract. Okay. So it takes a lot of time. That's why I'm pausing this video for some time. Till now, all the zip file I extracted in my portal 8 extract folder. After extracting all these zip files for four folders: enable, portal with these three, setup, and bash. Now, as the name suggests, we'll go to setup and click on setup.exe. It will take us to a pop-up. Click on install portal. So I'll choose the option for install IBM WebSphere portal from media. Now the installation manager has opened. Click on install button. Check IBM WebSphere application server network deployment, IBM WebSphere portal server, and IBM WebSphere portal enable. Click on next button. Click on IBM WebSphere application server network deployment. Click on next button. Accept the license agreement. Now I also want to configure deployment manager augmented with the WebSphere portal. Config engine, portal server binary, portal server profile, deployment managers. I'll tell you what is the importance of deployment manager. Click on full. Okay. Here a new thing. While configuration is provided by WebSphere portal, you can change the context root, means a pattern of URL, that WPS and portal, my portal. You can configure by your own customized name. Even you can change the profile name, the starting ports. This is the all these features is provided right there. So I'm going to standard. After giving user ID and passwords, let's click on next button. It's saying that username cannot be null. Okay, it's a configuration for WebSphere portal server DMGR profile. Okay, I'm also giving for the WPS admin, and WPS admin, right? Profile name DMGR, and if this profile is created under the app server slash profile slash DMGR. Okay. This is the listed that you want to install. Now just click on install button. Now let's read what it is asking for. Insert disk 1 and press OK. Alternatively, you can type the directory path and browse the directory. Insert disk 1 for set labeled IBM WebSphere application server network deployment. So it is asking for the path where the app server network deployment is stored. So just go to my installation directory, portal 8 extract. So it was disk 1. Yes, still was slash disk 1. You have to give the path till disk 1. So it will successively ask for two more disks, portal and enable. So let's wait for that time. It'll ask me for the another disk. Now it asking for a WebSphere portal server. So let me give also location of WebSphere portal server. Now it is asking for the portal repository. Portal IBM WebSphere portal enable. Now go to download folder, enable disk 1 and click OK. And as you can see that the progress bar is progressing. Now IBM Sphere portal installation and DNGR installation is done. Let's first check whether these folder now exist in physical location or not. Alright, so for that I need to go uh, in the require the target destination installation of folder. So let me check. It's a programs files, IBM WebSphere portal. It's an application server, config engine, portal server, and WP profile. As we know that WP profile is the WebSphere portal profile, right? So let's check to create a profile for application server. So see how to create a profile for application server. Click on finish and profile management tool to create a profile. So there is the two profile. CW application server and DNGR for management and WP profile for application server. For creating the application profile, just go to create. Here select a specific type of environment to create. Here are the two options. You can create a profile for WebSphere Portal 8 as well as WebSphere Application Server, Cell Management Application Server, Custom Profiles, Secure Proxy, etc. kind of thing. This is the basically a profile management tool. So I would like to create application server profile. Typical profile creation. Typical profile creation is take some of the default values. Let's give the username as by I'm giving always the same username. Now click on next. Let's take the screenshot for that. It's a very important. Strange. It will be used for later purpose. I'll just save it into the installation directory so that whenever I'll need it, I'll get this information very easily. That's why I'll just put this information in my installation directory. App profile. App profile. Right. Okay. Now click on create button. After completing of create profile, it will ask for to launch first step console. So just click on finish to launch the first step. Verifying that whether my creation of profile is done correctly or not correctly, just click on installation verification. So it's giving me the information. Server name is server1, profile name is app server01, profile home, its address is app server profiles slash app server, profile type is default, and cell name is Venki Note Cell 2, node name is Venki Note 2, and this kind of extra information is provided by it. What does it means? It means that my server has been installed correctly. Now let's exit. App server has been created. We can see over here. It's a WebSphere customization toolbox. Now exit. Now my installation is done. So let me check whether go to first step. And also I want to visit my uh, installation directory so that I can identify the W profile is the WebSphere portal application server. Let's for profile. So oops, profiles. Yeah, here it is. So this is the profile that we have recently created over here. And the last time I not found that is a DMGR. DMGR. I would like to tell you DMGR. It's basically used for managing multiple profile with a single user interface. For example, it is mostly used in the clustered environment. I cannot write application or I cannot deploy each and every application into different nodes. So what I need a DMGR. DMGR is a profile that used to sync among nodes. This is its use. So I think portal installation is done, and let me just let you log in to the first screen that so that you can know installation is done properly. So I go into spare portal. Portal 8 first step. So I just want to work with, I just click on the login to WebSphere portal. So after clicking, it might be possible it start my IBM WebSphere portal. Then let me navigate to login browser. Now let me hit with the specific URL http colon double slash localhost, and this is the default port of IBM WebSphere portal. Yes, here we go. Now my installation is done correctly. Now let me see how to log in it, and WPS admin, WPS admin. Here we go. So we successfully installed and log in to the IBM WebSphere portal.